Hello viewer, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of an entire web page and save it as PNG or PDF. So let's get started. Suppose you are in a web page and the text inside it is important enough to save in your PC. What you will have to do is very simple. We're going to use a browser add-on or extension. Just go to search bar and full page screen capture, hit enter. If you're using Chrome, then go to this link. If you are using Firefox, then go to this link. Since I'm using Chrome, I am just going to this link. So this is the extension for taking a screenshot of an entire web page. Let's add it. Give permission and word for the extension to be downloaded. After downloading is finished, it will install itself and you will be redirected to a user manual page. I always appreciate reading user manual before using any kind of extension, plugin, add-on, app, or even hardware. Now it's time to get into real business. To take a screenshot of this web page, click on this icon. It will start scanning the web page from top to bottom. After scanning, it will be redirected to a page from where you can save your screenshot either as an image or as PDF. Let's try PDF first. Once again, give it permission so that it can manage your downloads and choose your storage drive location to save it. When it comes to saving as an image, the process is almost same. Let's see the outputs. This is the image file. This is the PDF file. That's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider to like, share, or at least subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try my best to help you out. Until next time, thanks for watching.